Tee it off for us, babe.
We're here at Scott Felder's model home, well, one of their model homes, and this is the awesome Dolcetto Floor Plan. And it's gonna knock your socks off because it's really awesome. It's super unique.
Judy's particularly fond of this floor plan.
I am. I think it's really cool. It's not like every other house out there. I feel like it's got something unique to offer. So, and it's 3,000 square feet, roughly, 4 bedrooms, 4 bath, with a study and a study nook. So we'll take you in. Check out this Dolcetto Floor Plan. Super cool. Nice and open when you walk in. And this one's been upgraded galore. They probably put in about $200,000 in upgrades. And you can see the upgraded lighting, you can see the upgraded backsplash in the kitchen here, the beams, the 3-foot linear fireplace over there. And then of course you have the double stacked cabinets here with the glass front and some of them. And then you have your upgraded countertops, which are awesome, nice and neutral. And then you've got wood floors here as well. And then right over here is a super cute study nook with a barn door for privacy. And all of these built-ins are gonna stay. So it's really cool that they finished it out like that. And then here you have an additional study, but it can also work as like a wine whiskey room, and the wine fridge down there also does convey with all the built-ins, and of course the lighting and all of that will stay as well. So super cool finish out. I love it.
So we're going to be going through this kitchen kind of line by line. So we have this incredible large counter surface. This is a gorgeous countertop, absolutely seamless, water filtration. You got the incredible matching side over here. This beautiful sheen that we have on this backsplash really kind of brings a lot more light into the room. Obviously super tall cabinets. Some of them have visibility into the cabinets. Some of them are closed for a little bit more privacy, so you can be a little more messy in there. And then you can put your pretty platters and everything inside here so you can kind of see. Lots of cabinets on the bottom, just abundant cabinet storage. Come on this side, you'll see the stainless appliances. And of course we have it's called a Bertazzoni. This is an Italian oven setup. This is one of the upgrade options that we have with Scott Felder here in this particular motto in the Dolcetto. Actually, in a lot of the plans they offer this. This is a cool little upgrade. On this side over here, you have more of a recipe station with your built-ins, more stainless appliances, and this hardwood floor, y'all, from wall to wall. Just this beautiful light finish. It really makes it super light, super airy, super homey, just beautiful. And guys, these sliding doors, we're about to get into it. But check this out. This is a double sliding door. These guys are 10 feet, 12 feet tall, 12 feet, 10 feet tall, 10 feet tall. And they are sliding from both sides. Judy mentioned this gorgeous fireplace, this gas inset fireplace, totally surrounded by this tile, this hexagon pattern. It is gorgeous. This whole area, this column goes all the way to the ceiling. Got the little mantle here. And then you have another 3-panel door over here. These guys are very pricey doors, and there's 2 sets in this house. I think they're about 32 grand each. And this one opens from one side to the other, but as you can imagine, when you get both sets open, just incredible amount of breeze, fresh air pouring through this room. So now the hidden gem that is going to get people just to fall in love with this place. Follow me, we'll show you what I'm talking about. So you go back through the main door, hard, super tall 8-foot doors included. Come across the entry landing to another detached 8-foot hardwood door into this gorgeous Casita space. So lots of room in here. Again, usable for so many things. I mean, you could rent this out. You could have family stay here. You could have an elderly parent enjoy this space. You can have, I mean, the sky's the limit. Maybe an adult child can come and back from college and bed down in the Casita, but you have a lot of options. You can see the super tall ceilings. They've already put the some of the woodwork on the wall here to really kind of bring out the accents. Just a gorgeous window setup. Just all the way around, wonderful features. This tile here on the entryway. Of course, we have this bathroom space, quartz countertop, full shower. It's an incredible little getaway from the main house. Family and friends would enjoy staying here. Incredible, incredible bonus on this property.
So now we're gonna go into the master bedroom and bathroom. And I don't know if we mentioned, but most of the furnishings in this model home have been removed, obviously. As you can tell, there's no furniture. But I really love that you can actually focus on the home and actually what you're getting. Because a lot of times if the home is beautifully decorated, you're kind of distracted by all the furnishings and the great design. And then you get in the house and you're like, oh, this is it? So I love that most of the furniture has been removed so you can actually see all that you're getting. So here's the master bedroom. It's pretty large. I mean, it's big enough for a king, and then you can do a dresser. And then you've got this great sitting area here. And then of course, there's a patio door here as well. So you can go outside and, block, there we go. You go outside and enjoy some morning coffee or just hang out. Or if you're entertaining, you can just exit out this way to go see your guests. So I love that feature. Oh, and I didn't mention, it's not locking down. There we go. There's a little fire pit out there, which we'll touch on when we do outside. But yes, this master bedroom has this upgraded chandelier in here, and it's got the window treatments and the really cool shiplap herringbone or chevron pattern, whichever you'd like to call it. And then in here, you have your master bathroom and closet. And this closet's really cool because you have an island in here and it's walk-in, so it's a great size. And then you've got, additional storage here if you want to put your undergarments, or if you've got jewelry that you want to put away and not have hanging out. And then of course you've got purse storage or shoe storage. And then you've got upgraded lighting in here as well. And we have 12-foot ceilings even in the closet. So it feels really big. And then of course you have your upgraded tile down here. These are, I believe these are 24 by 24 tiles. So that's nice that you get the larger tiles and it makes it feel bigger in here. And then you've got your upgraded countertops as well, quartz, and then his and hers vanity. And then, of course, you've got your little vanity area, which is always fun for the ladies or the men, if they prefer. And then here you have a very large shower. And then you've got your little ledge here for shampoos and all of that. And they did that instead of the little niche in here. Oh, and there's a little bench in there, corner bench, for sitting down and shaving, or if you need a breather in the shower, I don't know. And then your linen closet. All right, and then I love all of these floor plans that have this feature where the utility room connects to the master bathroom or master closet. I love that feature. So you can just walk right in here and throw your dirty clothes in the hamper over here. And then this one actually doubles as a pantry and a butler's pantry. Some people like to call it a messy kitchen. But you can hide away if you're having a party and you need a little break, or you want the mess hidden from the rest of your guests that are out there. It's great to have that with the sink here, and it makes it working. So, yep. All right, and then we are back out to the kitchen and the hallway that leads upstairs.
We're gonna take this little hallway down to another bedroom that's at the end of this hall, just before you get to the garage. Another full bath, a very spacious, very generously sized guest bedroom. These double door closet little French door setup. Nice baseboard. It's a very hardy baseboard, kind of sizable, kind of brings up the height. Love how they put the curtains full ceiling. Of course, all these come with these double hung windows, which are gonna be really nice for cleaning. So you can see this is not something that's terribly new, but they definitely don't skimp. So a lot of really cool features here to really improve getting the home homey and easy to clean, easy to maintain. The garage space is in there. Little landing area. You could do a little bench here for a little mud space. Come in, take your shoes off, put your purse down, whatever it is you need to do. And yeah, you're really making that space the best use. Really nice handrails and spindles on this stairwell. Carpeting all the way up. Carpeting is good on second levels because it really allows for the kind of muffling of the sound. And what's really cool about this is that we've come to the other end of the house. And so there is one bedroom beneath this, but if people are up here and you have family down or friends and there's a party going on in the main living space and people are up here, you're not really gonna hear what's going on up here down there because it's away from all that living space. There is a bedroom beneath us, but obviously it's off away from the main common area downstairs. So we got some nice, got some paneling on the wall. It's beautiful. These windows allow for just a gorgeous view. If you look out the windows here, there are houses coming in across the way, but we got about 15, 20-mile views. Even with homes coming in, you're gonna be able to see quite a bit into the hill country. So Santa Rita Ranch actually sits right in the hill country north of Leander. They share a border. And Leander, the Leander, Cedar Park, Liberty Hill area really is kind of the gateway to the hill country, and you get a beautiful view. Now, Judy got the master bath. I got this room here. So this is now set up for a poker space. So they put in these quartz counters with a waterfall edge. These beautiful built-ins up top here, these cabinets with this haze glass, and of course we have the KitchenAid little wine fridge on this end, and we have attic access for storage over here. And this actually is a bedroom if you decided to use it for that. There's a very sizable closet here as well. So, and then of course right next to the guest bed here is gonna be the guest bath. So that is this beautiful Dolcetto here that Scott Felder has to offer. So I'm gonna grab this and we're gonna finish this out in selfie mode. That's how it's gonna be. All right, guys, so we just got done walking through the Dolcetto and
we matched this room, actually.
we do match the room. I planned that. I planned these outfits.
Did you?
Just so that we could match this beautiful house. I'm feeling a little Dolcetto myself. Maybe we'll go get a gelato. We appreciate you sticking with us on this walkthrough. If you have any questions about this house or any other, feel free to reach out. Don't forget to check us out on liveinthehill.com. And feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. You know, we like when people do that. It's very nice. If you have anything you need about Liberty Hill, reach out. We're here for you. Anything you need. In the meanwhile, don't forget, we'll
see y'all
around the hill.